What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We're here at the Tesla Delivery Center in Tampa, Florida. I'm here with my buddy Chris right here. He just received delivery of his new Tesla Cybertruck, which is a beast of a car. We did another video with his first impressions and driving around, kind of getting his first feel of the cars. Right now, we're gonna do basically a walk around checklist just to make sure everything's running smoothly, make sure everything's functional, and then go from there. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button, is definitely appreciated. Anybody who's ordered a Tesla before, I'm pretty sure he knows as well, it comes with a Tesla referral code. So feel free, I'll put both of our referral codes down in the comments below. Everybody likes free stuff, so you can use either one of our referral codes. You can get 10,000 free supercharger miles and just some accessories you can get after the fact. So I know included in that is the free supercharger miles, which a lot of people like, the full self-driving for a couple of months, and some other things that you can get in the Tesla shop. So make sure, if you're checking out this video, check out the referral codes in the link below. And yeah, we're gonna do a walk around really quick. Let's go. Obviously, the wheels, they shouldn't be like flat or nothing. So every wheel looks kind of good to go. No like marks or punctures on it. You got like little pebbles from it getting transported over here, but 35 inch, sheesh. Boom. And
it's this button right here.
Okay.
So I was trying to click here.
Is this power up and down? Like if you press that again, will it go down?
Right there.
Oh, this?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna actually sit in this real quick.
That's some decent space. I mean, you can fit some, like if you go into the airport or something,
it's another
you can fit like 2 or 3. Yeah, and they've got this like steel looking Cybertruck logo right here. And I'm guessing like the important parts are behind here. Yeah. That's good. And then this closes it. Got the camera here, the 2 tow hitches. It cleans itself?
Yeah.
Is it like a little spray or something under there?
Something right here comes out, clean the camera lens.
The front camera, I know you can see it from inside, like the actual display, just to make sure that works. Clearly the doors work. So that's the camera that we saw earlier. Okay. And then you got the 2 wheel well cameras. All right, and then the rear camera, if you can pull that up. Are you able to pull down the tailgate from in here? Should be, yeah, it should be right there, yeah. Or you can like retract it and pull it up. And that drops as well. This for the rear passenger. So I thought this was to like adjust the seat, because I know on the new Model 3 you can like adjust the seats from back here, but this is just like the air direction. Oh, you can. You got some entertainment options back here: Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Twitch.
I got this set up for me.
Okay, so you can move the passenger seat, but not the driver's seat, which makes sense. Okay. Don't want to be moving the driver. Right. And it's heated seats. Ooh. There we go. So that functions. You can control the music back here.
Are there USB-Cs down here?
I think it should be actually. Oh, okay, I see it up there.
Yep.
So I did bring something to like pull in to plug in these outlets, because you got an outlet right there and in the back too, right, just to make sure they kind of function. So let's just plug this up. I think you can hook up, they have like, for like washer and dryer type of...
You can also charge another Tesla.
Yeah, you can charge another Tesla with that too. That's great. That'd be good for camping.
Yeah. Okay, I wonder if I have to turn this on.
Turn the car on?
Either, maybe it's you have to actually turn this out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it charges.
That's pretty cool how they set it up on the...
Oh, to charge or to turn it on, so you can manually control. I guess that's good to keep it from pushing out power to those spots, just to reserve a battery. Anything in the center console?
Tray. You have another outlet down there as well.
What is it like?
From that side, it's a 110 outlet.
Okay, because you don't have any stocks on your steering wheel, so is that tough to kind of get used to?
Yeah, it's different.
So what is this changing? The steering wheel?
Yep, the steering wheel. Go up and down. You can go left. You can go in. Sorry, right. You can make it go in. Go left. You can go out. Just apparently you have some up here as well.
Oh, you can switch gears up there. That is cool. You can do the left one. And then I'm assuming all the windows roll down correctly. Roll up, roll down. Yep. Do you want to test the volume? Make sure the media plays correctly. Okay, that works. So clearly the internet works and the volume works. I will say at least from my experience, I don't know if you had the same experience with the S, but the premium connectivity wasn't always premium. It was like kind of slow sometimes. So this one seems way like smoother and like snappier.
Correct. So I'm curious, let's see with the browser.
Yeah, that thing is super fast. I think it's a physical horn in here now instead of like okay, the horn works as well. Okay, it gets very hot, at least in most like regular Teslas, or I say regular in quotes, but it gets hot if you don't have tint, and now that the seats are perforated and you can actually blow some cool air through the seats, that is great. But are you gonna get the car tinted?
I am.
From everything I've seen, the Cybertruck is supposed to, like, every spot is not gonna be like super tight like this. That's a completely just for this part of the vehicle only. For the most part, obviously all of this stuff is steel, so it's gonna be some spaces where the steel meets, but not exactly. So as we go around the car, this is completely normal. So you gotta know what the normal is for this particular car. There's gonna be spaces where it's super, super tight like this, and then obviously where parts move, i.e. the doors, the trunks, and things like that, there's gonna be a little bit of space because you don't want too much steel rubbing against each other on a day-to-day. So it looks like everything is good right here. All this is good. Everything is set as far as the daytime running lights. Nothing is like loose, doesn't appear to be loose. All this is good. This spacing looks the same as right here as well, so it kind of goes up and opens up a little bit at an angle, so that's the norm, I guess, for this Cybertruck. Same spacing right here is the same on this side. I guess this is like wind dampeners right here, this little, yeah, I'm assuming. Okay, so that's this strip right here. I guess it's to keep some air out and maybe water and stuff. It's rubber, so it's gonna move a little bit. Your windshield wiper fluid is up here. This front trunk is not like super big, so it's not hard to reach this at all. In a sedan Tesla, the windshield wiper fluid is a little bit back because the trunk or the front trunk is a little bit longer, but this one is pretty short, so it won't be that difficult to get to. All this stuff seems to be super tight up against the frame of the car. Again, this car is predominantly light, but you do have some heavy pieces on the car, so you're gonna have some spacing right here just to make room, because the radius kind of, the doors opening is pretty wide. So just to see like the difference in the radius of these things opening, I don't think this one opens as much as the rear. Yeah, this one stops right here, but this one opens like almost all the way, like 90 degrees, which is crazy. So yeah, this one is more like on more of an angle. This one's still on an angle. It's not completely 90 degrees, but it's pretty close. Yeah, and definitely if you have kids or cargo and stuff going back there, the more space, the better. Obviously, this is a bigger style vehicle, but I would love this on my car, like for this thing to open all the way up. Like that's a lot of room to kind of wiggle with.
I have kids, so
yeah.
If you want to put them in the car seat, normally I'm like this, and I'm trying to get my baby girl out of the car, but this creates a lot of space.
Yeah, and this will be good, like if you put in like a car seat or something, you have more room to work with. You're not dinging up like the sides of your car trying to put something in there. So, and it looks like the safety feature on each door of making sure you don't jam your finger works, because it just cracks it open a little bit. You cannot close it unless you open it more, because it's like a pin in there kind of making sure it doesn't do that. So Once you open it all the way up or a little bit more, then it will allow you to close it all the way, which is great. Yeah, this seems like a very, very, very tight gap right here. Everything still looks good on the frame. And the tailgate, so you can, it doesn't have to go all the way up or all the way down. You can like put it to however you want it. So if you are carrying bigger cargo and you want it somewhat covered but not all the way, you can kind of adjust it to whatever you're putting back here. Oh yeah, and you got some extra storage down here and a little rack in here. Yeah. I don't know if this is standard. That might be just with your
the foundation, some open connector.
Oh yeah. The lights work in the back all around, so anytime you're putting something in your car, you got some light in there. Is that to hook cargo on, or?
Yeah, tie downs. So
okay.
This is a beer opener, beer can opener.
Oh yeah, I wonder what these are. I was seeing these earlier. I don't know what these things are right here. I try to pull it out, but it's like metal, like a hard metal. It's a drain plug in there.
And it's literally the handle's the shape of the Cybertruck.
Nice, nice. That's cool. Attention to detail, I like it. All right, you guys, so that was the walk around of the new, there's no like year on the Cybertruck, it's just Cybertruck, right?
It says 2024 on my registration.
Well, 2024 Cybertruck, everything seems to check out. I'm pretty sure you're more than excited to kind of get this thing on the road. He's already been getting tons of attention here. He's the new celebrity in town, so it might be some times where you're like, oh, can you go to the store? Actually, yeah, I'll go to the store for you really quick. Again, if you guys are ordering a new car, make sure to use that referral code. Either one of us, it doesn't really matter. The referral code will be in the description below. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.